to learn how to do the summation, the average for the marks. Look here, uh, I have lots of names: Ashraf, Khalil, Muhammad, Samir, Amir, Ra'ed, Faris, and Haytham, and Wa'il. And this is the Islamic studies mark, and the Arabic mark, the English mark. I need to find the summation. I need to find the summation. I need to find the average for each student. So look to Ashraf. This is Ashraf. I need to find the summation for his mark. So the marks is in Islamic, Arabic, and English. And how can I do that? How can I do that? Or you can find this is Haytham also and Faris, and I want to find the summation and the average for all these marks. We have to know what is the address of the cell. So the cell, this cell, its address is B2, is B2. What is the address of this cell? It is B2. What is the address of this cell? It is B2. Look here, this is the address for the cell. What is the address of this cell? It is C2. Look here, this is the address of the cell, the active cell. If I put the cursor here, what is the address for this active cell? It is C8. It is C8. What is the address for this active cell? It is B10. It is B10. Okay. I want to make a summation here. I need the result here. I need the result here. Before doing the summation, I have to know the address of the cells, including the values that I need to put inside the formula or the mathematical operation. So it is from B2 to D2. So from B2 to D2. How can I do that? We must go to the formula bar. We must go to the formula bar. Okay, we must go to the formula bar. And I put the cursor, before I write anything in the formula bar, I put the cursor in an empty cell. I need to put the result inside. I want to put the result inside. I want to put the result here in the summation for Ashraf. So I put the cursor now to the formula bar. I have to write. How can I write the summation expression? I write it. I put equal. This is the rule. This is the rule. It gives me a hint. How can I do that? So the Excel sheet is very clever. It will give you a hint how to write the formula. Because I'm writing here sum, so he understand I need to make a summation for the marks. So it's give me a hint. It's give me a hint what I have to write inside the formula. So I want to make summation. I write sum in capital letter. This is a reserved word. I can't change it. It is for the addition, for the summation. I can't change that. Then I write bracket. Then I put the number of the cell, that is the mark. The value number one is inside. And where is the other values? So it is started with B2, B2, then I write this to D2. I close the bracket. I must do that. We said before that the number of the right bracket must equal the number of the left bracket. Then I press enter. Look here, the Excel gives me the summation for Ashraf marks, the summation for Ashraf marks. So this is the summation. And look to the formula bar. This is the equation. This is the equation or the mathematical expression that I use to do a summation. So it is equal sum in capital letters. I open a bracket, then B2 to D2 and I close the brackets, then enter. It gives me the summation for this student, Ashraf. Let's do the summation for the another one. It is Khalil. It is Khalil. Tell me now, what is the first step? The first step is to put the cursor to the empty cell that I want to put the results inside. The results inside. So now the first value is inside the B3. This is the location for the cell. And the last value is in D3. So I need all these values. This is the range for the values. This is from B3 to D3. Now let's put the cursor to the empty cell that I want to put the value inside. Then I have to write equal sum. I open bracket. Then I write B3 to D3. This is the range, right? Then I have to close the bracket and then enter. Look, it gives me the summation. It gives me the summation for Khalil. Okay, if I have hundred of names, how can I do that? This is very long. This is a very long things to write the summation formula for all the names. How can I find the summation very fast, very quickly? I will do just for the first one, I will write this formula for the first one only and put the cursor at the edge here. You will see the cursor is changed to a plus. Look, it is changed to a plus. This is a normal cursor and look at the cursor now, it is a plus cursor. Click, then you have to swap. Look, now he understands that I need to make the mathematical expression for all these students. So it gives me the summation for all these students. Gives me the summation for all these students. So it is very easy to record marks, to understand the marks, to find the summation, and I don't need to do a summation for each one in different in يعني each one, just each one. I have to do it for all of them in one time, very fast, very quickly. I can do that by only just find the summation for the first one. I write the formula for the first one and then I put the cursor here and I will swap to the down